Hey, Striker Metals here. Today I'll be making a somewhat unusual Pyrotechnic fireworks charm set. Got all sorts here. Little paper wrapped magnesium charges. These are full of magnesium shavings. Inside of this paper bag. Squishy. Here we have a stainless steel match head fueled firecracker. See one of the match heads there. There are some recycled components there on the charm itself, on the charm chain. The chains themselves are also recycled. Here we have some flying fish and falling leaf fuse. The red one burns red, some for strontium, and we've got the green one here which also burns green. We have some Visco fuse lengths here ready for use, and we'll make a little strange dangle charm with several pieces for their intended use. And we also have a magnesium one here, as I made too many, so I will make an extra charm with that. It's a nice little gem to go with it. Also have a spool of Visco fuse here, and this little thing here is actually an extremely small candy fueled smoke bomb. Very, very small. Look at that. It's wax sealed on the top. And the case is also handmade. A little bit of card rolled, coated in masking tape. And it also has some gold components and recycled e-waste copper split ring on that. So it's going to be quite a lot here, as you can see. These two will be separate to the main charm here. Let's make this thing, see what it turns out like. Hopefully I can get most of them inside of that tiny jar. Nice angle here. Quite difficult to see. Pull the sleeves up. It actually glows in the dark on the bottom of this. There's a glow in the dark bead to hold that in place. Thought it would help. May or may not. Let's get the tiny smoke bomb in there. Ooh, just about fits. Sort of getting in the way. Oh, it's in there. Place that carefully. This is not an impact sensitive material, so I don't have to worry about any shocks. I have videos on what our candy burning looks like. It's extremely smoky. It's generally used for rockets and such though. Wow, that's very well packed in there. Let's try and get that little stainless steel one in there. This is actually a case from a quadcopter motor, believe it or not. So, e-waste again. It's going to be quite difficult to get that down in that corner, I reckon. Might be wrong. Bit of leverage here. Don't want to crack the glass. Nah, I think I should reposition that. I think it's this fuse here, this one, with the bead on the bottom. Take that out first, put in this flying fish fuse, the red one, as I did want that in there, some colour. Move that towards the side if possible. Just a bit of squishings. There, that's quite nice. That should go in there easier now. Indeed. Bit stuck on that smoke bomb though, the miniature one. Ooh, fiddly. Don't want to break the glass, see? There we go, it's in there. Quite stacked. Don't think I'll get that in there. Might do, might not. No, that will break if I put that in there. Let's get the spool in there first. Make up the space. Also make it look quite nice. If I can get that down in that corner maybe. Bit of manipulation. There doesn't appear to be enough space. That. And that bead there is preventing the space from being filled up. Might be able to get this in there though. Yep. If I can fit that down that gap. It is going in there. Very nice. Reader did. Now there will be space for this. Wow, that's an extremely well packed little jar. Can't believe I got all that in there. Wow. So, got a little magnesium bag, a little firecracker, two types of falling leaf and flying fish fuse. They're pretty much standalone fireworks, quite nice. Nice length of Visco fuse for refusing any broken fireworks or others that could be made. And a little tiny wax sealed smoke bomb there as well. Put on the clasp. It is in the way there. Very tiny split ring on this. Got it. Did that by purpose though, because one, I'm running out of larger ones and want to use some of the smaller ones, and two, it'll leave less of a profile on the chain itself. Looks quite nice. So there's the main unit done. Let's make the secondary part here, which I need another split ring. Wrong way. Put them all in the same direction, so they all look well orientated. Quite fiddly. Most unusual charm, this, hope you agree. Nearly every part of it is extremely custom. We'll be making more of these strange charms in the future, no doubt, as I come up with more ideas. Last piece there. Nearly done. So there's the Visco fuse dangle charm. Lots of separate pieces all ready for use. And there's a bag of magnesium for this one. Ooh, drop that. This is all recycled, upcycled material on these chains for these two. There's that one done. Again, that looks quite nice. Sparkly with the little gemstone alongside it. So there's the set completed. Let's have an examination of that. All done. There's the nice little stone with the magnesium package. These chains are e-waste recycled jewellery recycled material. Some is actually e-waste, but that's inside here. And the copper split ring there, seen on the tiny smoke bomb. Quite a lot packed into that jar, as you can see. Pretty much impossible to get any much more in there. The scene was all quite awkwardly packed, but it all went inside the jar and it all looks quite nice. A genuine active firework charm with active working fireworks. Well, till next time.